Right, that's enough of the sad music now. So this is not a sad time, but it is the end of an era. I've been in that workshop probably about 2.5 years now. During that time, I've built plenty of projects that have kept me going. Things like kitchens, which is my speciality, as well as a few furniture and small carpentry projects. It's also allowed me to create videos on YouTube. So I've done a few how-to videos and a few tool reviews, and then a few generic little vlog videos about the day-to-day life of woodworkers. But now this is where the exciting time comes, because I've got a great new kitchen business, which is going extraordinarily well. I've got a new camera, which you're watching on now, and I've got new editing software to bring you some great videos over the course of this year. But also the main really exciting thing is this place, the new workshop, with a great big floor downstairs, 2 big workbenches, and all the tooling and machinery that I need to build kitchens. Upstairs here we've got an office where all the designing and calls are done. We've got a paint shop up there for painting all the furniture, kitchen doors and things like that. We've got a storage area. We've even got a toilet, believe it or not. But I'm not going to show you the new workshop now, just purely because I want to create a nice cinematic intro video to the workshop, so then the channel can move forward in a much better way. So if you are interested in woodworking and you'd like to follow along with my journey, then please consider hitting that subscribe button, and then you can see my future content, and I really will do my best to make them the best videos for you that I can. Thank you.